Good morning, everybody. Headed on 81 South, headed to George Washington National Forest, Union Springs Road, up to Flagpole, and meeting some friends down here at Sheets in Harrisonburg. And we're going to go up, like I say, Union Springs to Flagpole, possibly camping there overnight, maybe on the Redish knob. We'll see what happens. But I'll check back in with you here in a little bit and keep you updated. Thanks. Okay, I'm sitting at Sheets here in Harrisonburg, Virginia, meeting some guys here. Just fueled up. It should be a good day. Weather looks nice, overcast, about 80 couple degrees, a little warm, but maybe get some rain tonight. Looks like into the morning tomorrow, but give me a chance to test out the tent, see if it leaks or not, but shouldn't. Anyway, should be a good day. Okay, there we go. Doing a little air down here before we hit it.
Yeah, but he goes down to 10 on the trailers. So I figured, well, these are 35.
I'm sandwiched between two blue Chevys. Feel like some kind of Smurf Oreo maybe or something, I don't know. Just checking out a new road here, Peach Pond Road. It's open now. It must be closed some certain portions of the year, I believe, but pretty nice shelf road. Okay, we're back on Union Springs, Peach Pond Road. That's a neat road. Recommend it. It's very pretty. Not extremely difficult. Will need four-wheel drive though. It's not that easy. I'd say maybe a 3 rating, but there's several campsites on it. It has I don't know, two or three decent sized stream crossings, but right now everything's dry, so barely a trickle going through them. A lot of ups and down ruts or hoopties, whatever you want to call them. But it's very, very tame trail and very pretty, very pretty. Starts off as a shelf road, and then it kind of levels out between the two, like in a valley type deal. And it's very scenic, very, very pretty. But recommend to try it.
It's not that deep. That truck down here, that's just like it's usually a lot higher. If not, then just cut across and go that way.
Up here at the top of the mountain, oh, the mud playground. No shame in his game. Good old ramp. There again.
Okay, let's go.
You're all skidded up now, don't worry about it. Straight now.
I'd go this way, yeah. Driver, yeah.
Little passenger to... and straight on down. There you go. Yep. One more. Nice. Last one. Double. You're gonna hit passenger first and drive. Passenger. There you go. Drive. Nice.
Easy, easy. Down, okay. Another drop on the passenger. Coming up, coming up. Dance right now. Good.
Boom.
Like butter.
Straight. Don't panic. First tire's gonna drop. There you go. Second tire's gonna drop. Driver's side. Good job. Passenger side. There it comes. There you go. Nice. There you go. You're down. Take it easy. Press the button. There's your axle. Rear axle. Nice job, man. Holy shit! All right, don't really panic.
Oh.
Front end.
Good.
Probably right there.
Straighten it out.
All right, you're good. Driver's side and passenger side, drop it at the same time. This is going to be good. There you go. You're going to scrape, it's going to be right here. Go. You're all good. Go. Got it, Bird. Happy birthday, buddy. Rest will follow. Don't worry.
Oh, you're good now. Once that first tire comes off.
Let's go.
Yep. Sketchy road. Sketchy road. Yeah. Hey, ain't no shame in packing. Take too much money for this shit, but bust it up.
Let's go.
Flagpole knob, here we are. Just got up here. Get done playing in the mud. Trucks are all nice and dirty. Getting ready to go find our campsite and set up everything and get something to eat. A little hungry. Alright, so we got an awesome campsite. Our first choice was already taken, but this one's just as well. I've seen this one on YouTube before. I'm sure many of you have as well. Nice fire pit. Another one there. Somebody had some time on their hands. But setting up. There's Jason. Say hi, Jason. There's Mr. Mike set up. Say hi, Mr. Mike.
Hey, hello.
Here's the dirty taco. Getting ready to cook some dinner. Cool sight though. It's even cooler when the water's up. Walk down here. If I don't fall. We got them dammed up here. Nice little swimming hole. Again, when the water's up. I was up here a couple weeks ago and this was flowing pretty good. But all right. I'm gonna get back here and cook me some steak. So, talk to y'all later. Yep, that's what's up. A little hungry. What's left of Mike's dinner? He already swallowed.
A little bit hungry.
Ooh, very nice. They look nice.
Angus and brisket.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Starting the day off right. Gotta have my coffee. Alrighty. This is day 2 of the Flagpole Redish knob run. Got some rain last night. Wasn't too bad. The creek still didn't rise, but it ought to make for some interesting trails. And I'll drink my coffee and see you out there. All right, so here we are. We're back at it. Flagpole knob. Headed up to Redish knob. So morning of day 2. And again, like I said before, it rained and things are a little slipperier today than they have been, but it's still fun. It's a lot of fun. Slippery, a little muddy, a little greasy, but yeah, check back in.
That probably would have been a great video coming down.
like an abrupt drop, but it just mellows right out. You're good. I'm in terrain mode, so it's cold to be back. Unless I'm on some crazy rocks,
Well, we made it to Redish Knob. It's so rainy, foggy, and clouds. You can't see nothing. But mission accomplished. We made it here.
yeah, he's ordered earlier.
Alright, this wraps up our trip pretty much to Flagpole and Redish Knob. And a hair up here. And the next fair amount to go, but the roads are pretty good, so we're going to go there up now while we can, and it's not raining. So, yep. Awesome time. Awesome time. This is where we're at right at the moment. North River watershed. So, anyway, had a great time. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.